students, welcome back. So we will continue chapter 5. The topic is sign convention. So while studying the refraction through lenses, we have to follow some sign conventions. That is the rules regarding the signs, that is positive, negative of different quantities. What are different quantities? Let us see first this one. What are different quantities? Taking an example of convex lens. So this is a convex lens. This, okay. This is the optical center O. This is the focus, and this is double of the focus. This is the second focus. Should I write f1, and this is f2, and this is 2f2. So this is the general formation. So this is the principal axis. So what are the different quantities? The different quantities are the distances and the lengths. What are the distances? Taking any example, let us say an object is placed here. An object is placed here, and what will be the formation of the image? Like this will, the parallel axis, the ray that is parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focus, is passing through the focus, and one ray of light will pass through the optical center. So what is the formation of the image when the object is placed between 2f1 and f1, first focus and the double of this first focus? So the image will form will be beyond 2f2, that we have earlier studied. So this is the formation of the image. Now in this condition, now in this whole thing, the distance between the object and the optical center, the distance between the object from here to here, optical center, this distance is object distance, which is denoted by u. And this distance from the optical center to the image distance, this distance, the distance between the image and the optical center, that is denoted by v. And this is the focus. So distance between the optical center and the focus, this is the focal length. I will write here, u is the distance of object from optical center, that is O. V, it is the distance of image from optical center, okay. And F is the focal length of the lens, or you can say distance between focus and optical center. So these are the quantities, different quantities. So while doing these calculations, we have to follow some rules, okay. So what these are the u, v and f, these are the different quantities. And what are the rules? Let us see the rules. There are three rules that we have to follow. So what are the three rules? Let us write that one. So there are certain rules to follow. These all rules are based on Cartesian coordinate system that you have already learned in maths. Cartesian coordinate system, like this one. This is the center, this axis, x-axis, and this is the y-axis. This is the positive x-axis, and this is the positive y-axis. This is the negative x-axis, and this is the negative y-axis. So as you have learned this Cartesian coordinate system, same type of rules, same conditions, all rules are followed here also. First thing, all distances are measured from optical center. This is the first rule. As in the coordinate system, all measurements are taken from the center point. So in sign conventions through lenses, in refraction through lenses, all the distances are measured from the optical center. Like in this one, this is the optical center, and all the distances are measured from this point only. This is the focal, this is the image, and this is the object. Second rule, the distances measured in the direction of the incident ray are taken as positive, and in the opposite of the incident ray are taken as negative. Means the object, where the object is placed and where the incident ray is coming from, that side, that direction or that length is taken as positive. And when the incident ray, when the distances, like in case of this one object, image, the distances are opposite of the incident ray, so it will be taken as negative. The rays which are opposite to the incident ray as taken as negative. We will see some numerical examples, so it will be very clear. And the third rule is all the quantities that are above the principal axis, like those are taken as positive, and all the quantities that are below the principal axis are taken as negative, like same in the coordinate system, okay. In the principal axis, this principal axis, all the quantities that are above this principal axis are taken as positive, and below it is taken as negative, okay. So these are the three rules. Pause the video and wrote down it. The focal length, that is f, that is the distance between the optical center and the first focus of the lens, that is focal length. This depends on two factors. The first factor is the refractive index of the lens. The refractive index of the lens, I should write here, refractive index of lens. And how? If the lens is dipped in water, let us say if the lens is dipped in water, means the refractive index will increase. So the focal length f, that is the distance between the optical center and the focus, is the focal length. This focal length of the lens depends on the two factors. The first is the refractive index of the lens, and the second factor is the center of curvature, that is C1 and C2, center of curvature. Thin lens means the focal length is less, and thick lens means the focal length is more. Thin lens means focal length is more. Thin lens means focal length is small, and vice versa you can say. Thick lens, for thick lens the focal length will be more. Okay, and refractive index, in case of refractive index, more the refractive index, more the focal length. More refractive index, more focal length. Okay, these are the two factors on which the focal length depends. Now the lens formula. In syllabus, lens formula derivation is not required. It is clearly written there. So we will write directly the formula, that is 1 by focal length. 1 by focal length is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. That is, v is the distance between the image and the optical center, and u is the distance between the object and the optical center. So the formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This formula is valid for all types of lenses. This is valid for all types of lenses. All types of lenses. But we have to consider the rules also, when it is taken as positive and when it is taken as negative. The rules that we have to follow, the sign convention rules. So one of the thing is here, the f of convex lens. The focal length of the convex lens is positive, and the focal length of concave lens is negative. Why negative? Because the first focus of the concave lens is on the same side of the image. That you have already seen. I am just showing you here in short diagram, that when parallel rays are there, in the first focus that is placed here, it is found here, that is the backward direction of the rays. After backward direction of the rays, diverged rays, then we find a focus point. So it is on the same side of the focus of the lens, and also it is opposite in the direction of the incident ray. See, incident ray is in this direction and the focus is in this direction. So focal length will be taken as negative according to the second rule. So this is the formula. No derivation is required. You have to just learn this formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and the three rules of the sign conventions.